Mr. Interior here in Kenya. From Uganda.
We are looking at how to address the gaps and the concerns that exist within the lake in terms of transnational organized crime. So we are looking at how to coordinate better, how to build capacities, how to have a common understanding with the communities around the lake, and also who benefit from the use of the lake, on how to better manage those resources, while at the same time trying to minimize or eradicate crime that we know is common in the lake.